learners, Assalamu alaikum. This is the channel of sharing knowledge. Today, I'd like to share the knowledge of definition of research. Simultaneously, I'd like to make a differentiation line between basic and applied research with the definition of these two types of research. Let's go. Education TV, sharing knowledge. The word research perhaps originates from the French word rechercher that meant to search again. It implicitly assumes that the earlier search was not exhaustive and complete, and hence a repeated search is called for. Definition. Research is a scientific approach of answering a research question, solving a research problem, or generating new knowledge through a systematic and orderly collection, organization, and analysis of data, with an ultimate goal of making the findings of research useful in decision making. Now, there is a question: why will we conduct a research? The answer is, research can do something. So, in practice, a research may generate an unexplored horizon of knowledge, aim at discovering or establishing facts, solve a problem, help to reach a decision. Basic research. Basic research is fundamental in nature, which focuses on the search for truth or the development of theory. It generates new ideas, principles, and theory. Basic research is essential for nourishing the expansion of knowledge. It focuses on refuting or supporting theories. When the solution to the research problem has no apparent applications to any existing practical problem, but only to the scholarly interests of community of a researcher, the research is a basic research. So basic research is primarily focused on the advancement of knowledge rather than solving a specific problem. This research is also referred to as pure or fundamental research. Applied research. Applied research is designed to solve practical problems of the modern world rather than to acquire knowledge. This research is inspired by the needs of social action and aims at finding a practical solution for an immediate problem of the society, making optimal use of the available resources. The pursuit of information that can be directly applied to practice is aptly known as applied research. The approach is much more utilitarian, as it strives to find the information that will directly influence practice. Researchers in this field try to find solutions to existing problems. What are the differences between basic and applied research? Differences. Basic research is entirely theoretical. On the contrary, applied research has a practical approach. Basic research tries to expand the already existing scientific knowledge base. On the other hand, applied research is used to mean the scientific study that is helpful in solving real-life problems. The primary concern of the basic research is to create knowledge. Conversely, applied research stresses on the development of technology and technique with the help of basic science. The fundamental goal of the basic research is to add some knowledge to the existing one, but applied research is directed towards finding a solution to the problem under consideration.